Let me show you how I installed this short curly pixie wig. It is so cute. It's 100% human hair. I'm cutting off the lace with a razor to give it a more natural edge, adding my foundation to the lace, and now we're going to get her on to see what she is giving, okay? Right off the bat, she is giving struggle, like she is on the struggle bus. She is giving every weapon being formed against me is prospering. Okay, we're not about that life. So we're going to have to do some work. Yeah, it's going to require some work. You know how they say trust the process? This is one of those situations where you really have to trust the process because baby girl needs some work. So we're going in with our wig bonding glue, and I like this Ebon one because of the applicator. It's easy to apply and really target where I want the glue to go. So I like that about the Ebon products. And this is the Frontal Queen Lace Melting Spray because we got to melt that lace. And I'm not a fan of baby hairs. Y'all, I'm 50 years old. There's nothing baby about anything on my body. So the lace melting spray really helps my edges look more natural without baby hairs. And I'm adding just some curl moisturizer, and you can add any products you like, but the point is you have to do something. You got to add some water, you got to add some curl activator, some curl mousse, something to wake up these curls. And I'm trimming it and shaping it to kind of give it the shape I want. Now, this wig is under $40, and it is not one of those that you just throw on your head and go. Because if you do, you are going to look like you were on a struggle bus. And I'm not about that life. So I actually I don't have a wig that I own that I did not have to manipulate in some way to shape and curl and, really get it to frame my face. So for me, that's the key to making your wigs look nice and natural. You have to shape them, curl them, and this is coming together. Like she's looking really cute. Look at that. Oh, we're not struggling no more. We're looking super cute. Like, I like this. This is the final look. I love how it came together. What do you think?